Okay, so we're in hall E6. This is some sort of electronic metering system. I don't know how clearly that's going to show up, but okay. Various pumps. So these are fluid experts, is how they categorize their business. Die form underfill, some sort of sealing corporation. Look at some of their equipment. Some of the things they have going on here. Got a nice video going over there. HB Fuller. TH Ray. So, innovative adhesive solutions for next generation electronics. So, that's, these are adhesives, clearly. And looks like more fluid injection stuff. Okay, well, there's a familiar company. If you're American, Dow. Always good to see the USA represented. What's Dow doing? Okay. Smartphone chip heat dissipation. Local thermal gel conductivity, FIPG, smartphone OLED display waterproofing. So again, it's like adhesives. Die coating form MEMS. Okay, there's a MEMS chip. Okay, lots of stuff. Okay, this is Henkel. So you see Henkel, which is German, is in the other wafer part of the show as well, and so they're looks like they're involved in many aspects of the wafer production, semiconductor production. Okay, we are in, I believe it's E5 right now. And this is Testron, Testing Solutions. You can see they have a model of their, I guess, testing line. So just to give you some idea. And Electronica. You know me, I've got to go for things that are moving. That looks very interesting. Okay. Platform production. Okay. I'm not sure where this is manufactured. 哎，你好，你们这个是哪个国家的产品啊？
我们公司
对，
我们是那个本地的 local company。
本地的什么地方的？
苏州。
啊，苏州的。OK。那你们实际上排位第几啊？就是在生产的话呢，你们排位第几个？
这样子，你跟市场经理。
好，谢谢啊。哎，你好，我就想打听一下，在世界上你们公司排位第几呢？就是在你们
没太明白啥意思。
就是你们生产的这些产品啊，在国内你们是排位，就是从质量方面的话呢，你们排位第几呢？可以说是第一把手吗？第二把手吗？
你说的是设备还是我们公司的知名度是吧？
对。
啊，在非标自动化来说的话，应该也算是 top 级。
应该是 top。
你要说 top one， 我不敢这么说。
那是
对吧？我们还要谦虚一点，我们还有发展的空间。
对。啊，那你们已经现在在这个范围，你们是做那个？
你说的是业务领域是吧？
对。
业务领域的话，汽车、
汽车
汽车电子
OK， 汽车电子OK。
然后新能源电池
新能源电池 OK， so
医疗健康
医疗健康 so health and
工业互联
OK， 明白苏州的
你这
Alright, so I just had an interesting talk with him. So basically what they do is make parts for cars, new energy systems and healthcare systems. And so very interesting, very quality company, Electronica from Suzhou. So big shout out to them. He was very nice to talk to me. It wasn't my intention to really talk to people today about their equipment, but it happened. Also have to give out a shout out to these smaller companies. They make wire and plugs and boards and all these little handle things. 没事，随便看一下吧，谢谢啊。Looking at what they're doing, very interesting. Okay. 1988, 30-year history. There you go. So you can see the booths are much smaller over here. This is a British company. This is called Vision Engineering Limited. All right, shout out to the British. So, not every company is a super large company. So we're in a section where you've got small booths mixed with large booths. Here's a Purification. So they must be making clean room systems, is my guess. Or that vacuum door area. Multi-sensor measuring machine. Okay, very cool, very cool. All right, here we go again. Now we are going, let's take a look at here. So you can see that these boards are insulated with something. Very cool. Okay, so air purification. If you need your semiconductor room to have an air purifying system. More okay, so we are in Hall 4. Hall 4. And of course there's more electronic related equipment. So this Shanghai company clearly is making stuff for Panasonic and other companies. We've got Yamaha over here, Japanese. Shout out to the Japanese, well represented as well. Euro Placer, Fuji. This looks like this is a bit more of the international pavilion. Let's take a walk around and see what we've got here. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. Seems to be well represented. Look at so this is a Chinese company. Maybe, I guess, I don't know. I need to ask. They're quite large. No, I think so. No, it looks German. It's got a German name on there, but Kurtz Ursa. It's definitely not Chinese. That is a German sounding name. Yeah, I see a German guy standing there, so. So this will be something that I'll be doing for every show. So for those of you that watch these videos and are interested in learning more about production and manufacturing here in China, and if there's something you'd like me to pay special attention to, you can email me in advance and I will try and satisfy your request. So, Guangdong Automation. Let's see, this is part of the system here. And again, you know I love anything that moves, so let's take a look here. All right, anything that's moving interests me. It's all robotic arms. Okay, here we go. So I have no idea what this is all about, but they've got a bunch of screens going around. So I have no clue what this is for, but it looks interesting, and well, somebody out there will know what this is. I guess they're doing some sort of wiring on the board there. I don't know. No idea. So we're in Hall 3, by the way. Just doing a quick walkthrough. We are in Hall 3. Looks like they're doing things for the automotive industry. Long automation. I mean, it says no cameras, but I'm videoing, so what are you going to do? This is see that guy riding on that. I took a nasty spill on one of those one time.你好，你们公司是什么地方的？
你好，
你好，你的公司是哪个地方的？
泰科。泰科。
泰科。
对对。
是什么省？泰科是什么省？
就是说我们是做汽车电子类的一些设备，然后连接器，然后包括连接器里面我们会有低压的，会有高压的，会有信息传输的这一些。
那你们总部在哪里啊？
总部在上海。
啊，在上海啊 ，OK， 总部在上海，主要是汽车一类的啊。
对对，汽车类的。对。
哦。我
们也是会分很多部门，汽车类的也有，然后像医疗类的、航空类的，然后轨道类的，其实都有。对对。
OK， 哦，明白，非常厉害。
中文非常好。
一般般，一般般。你有名片吗？我就拿个名片吧。
啊，可以。
我在做一些介绍，关于一些国内的产品。那你们在这个范围的话呢，属于比较有名气的一个公司吗？
对于连接器来说的话，我们泰科是在行业里面是比较有名的，就是可能名列前茅的。对对对。
非常好，非常好。那你们是上市公司吗？
啊？
是上市公司吗？
对。
OK， 挺好的。OK， 在上海。
对。
好，有机会来拜访你们了啊。
好，
谢谢你啊，谢谢啊。 So very interesting. They're involved in all aspects of aeronautics, of vehicles, healthcare, and they are a Shanghainese company. So shout out to Shanghai, my home. Okay, very interesting. All right, so we continue on. It's the Jiangsu company. Hello, 你好。你们主要是生产什么？你们
线束设备，
线束设备 Okay, so they're manufacturing 线束设备。
货机王。
比较有名气的公司吗？
你中文真好、啊。
一般般，一般般。我是来就是代表所有的这些国内的公司，想帮你们推广在国外。谢谢啊。
好，谢谢。
谢谢。So they're asking me what I'm doing. I'm telling them. So let's see. So you can see this is called high price. It looks like my battery might be running low. I think I've got time to do 2 more hauls. Then it needs a recharge. Comax. Let's see what they're doing. The world of wire processing. There you go. Let's see that. World of wire processing. No idea what we're looking at, but it looks interesting. Can't see anything in there, so. So this company has a lot to do with these cables and wires and crimping them together from large to small. Okay, so we are in hall number 2. One more hall for E. And let's see what they're doing here. So let's see how long this battery lasts. I think I've almost exhausted the battery, but linear motion technology, okay. Servo cylinders, so a bunch of different servos. Let's hop up here. Modular din rail EPCs, EtherCAT. Bus terminal for PCB. And we're gonna go to hall 1, and it's ABB equipment, that's Swiss. All right, here we go. We have the new type of machine. You see it's got the camera on there. And it's massage in the sky. Look at that. 感觉怎么样？舒服不舒服？ Asking him if it was comfortable, he says yes. So very cool. So, all right, a lot of robotic arms. Oh, I see, here's the measure. That's what I need at home. I tell you what, for my back, let me find out what that costs. 哎，师傅，这台设备大概多少钱呢？
这个设备暂时没有报价，是不对外销售的。
不对外销售啊？
对。
哦，那你们是干嘛用的呢？
热不了了。
这个你们没有打算买吗？
啊？
没有打算去买吗？给一些医院或者干嘛？
这个是我们和这个秀玉这个公司合作开发的。是他们会买，然后放到他们的门店里面。
啊，放到门店里边的。哦，我把他们名字拍一下。OK， 你的合作伙伴。Okay, so they're partnered with this company, and this company is going to be putting them in their stores. Okay, interesting. All right, so we're clearly in the robotics section. Chaka. Visual grasping is what it's called. Whoa.
Is transforming from demand to supply. For the manufacturer considering how to deliver that supply,
Fanuc, very well known, of course. Whoa, the light just went off. They're fixing the light over there, and whole power went out on this guy's, that's not good. The whole power went out. All right, well, they've got power over here. Let's see what they're doing. So we've got more robots. Oh, he's coming over here to park. There we go. Whoa. simple design by using rectangular bevel cut. Ergonomic, rotatable HMI with friendly interface. Iconic halo LED indicator. Not that you guys can't read, but hey. Provides customers with more option for personalized coding. If I'm not talking, then what am I doing? Diversified indicator light and effect for any angle around. Dual LiDAR provides all-around environment detecting. With 3D visual and XIR sensor module, make robot excellent safety performance. Robot will autonomously circumnavigate obstacles, best in real-time computing decision making. And I guess you can see some of that here. Redundancy design concept, everywhere for safety and stable, all-around antenna, multiple safety circuit side cover, HMI reset alert. Let's see these in action. Max loading, 600 kgs on that one, automatic charging with removable battery. 7/24/7 support requirements, so it's working all day. It recharges by itself, 4-corner anti-collision and emergency stop button also make robot suitable for industrial use. Quick open covers, all 4 sides, modular component, and quick disassembly concept design. Withdraw module. The robot has good universal accessibility, carry various types of extended application modules. So great for your warehouse. You guys are looking to upgrade anywhere in the world. You want some robots. I need to find out what the cost of this is. Let me find somebody who works here. It's like they're doing their own little dance, huh? Okay, very cool. Did we get the company's complete name and system?
从 CE 认证的，完成 CE 认证。
有 CE 认证的啊 ，UL 有没有吗？UL 美国的 UL。
美国的 UL，全场的都有做美国的 UL。
都有是美的 UL 了啊。
我们有做美国富士康的项目，所以要有 UL。
富士康的项目 ，OK，
在
so they produce
在非洲啊。
在非洲 ，so in Africa they do。
非洲。
啊，非洲。非洲对啊，非洲啊，做 Foxconn 的项目。
在看一下。
So they're doing Foxconn in Africa.
然后它的价位大概在15万左右。
15万左右。
到18万。
15万到18万。So 150 to 180,000 RMB, which is about $20,000. Okay. 它的那个重量就是大概600公斤嘛。
对，我们重量有300公斤，有600公斤，有1吨的。
有1吨的 ，OK， so they have 300, 600 kilos and 1 ton. OK， 谢谢你啊。So they got the racking system there as well, standard robot. 你们是在哪里生产的？哪里生产？
哪里？
在哪？在哪里啊？
你的问题
是哪里生产？你们的工厂在哪儿？
哪里生产？我们工厂在昆山。在
昆山。
江苏的。
OK， 江苏的 ，OK， not far from here。
OK。
对，挨着上海。谢谢。OK， they got the palletized too。
这是我的名片。
好，我拿你的吧，谢謝你了啊，小劉，再見啊。So that one's utilizing the camera system and it's checking so it attached a camera to the robotic arm to do some, obviously what looks like quality control of the samples. Okay. I plus Mobot. Here's another one. 5G. That's what I was trying to think of earlier. My goodness. Okay. Boy, just the amount of companies engaged in robotics over the past few years in China has increased significantly. Look at that, working in tandem. 3 robots, 2 robots, but with the arm on top, I'd consider that 3. I don't know if that makes sense. Maybe it's 2, but how cool is that? Taking the box from one, transferring to the other. That one's supposed to be, okay, representing 400 kilos. So we know the other one was 180,000 renminbi. Okay, pearl, pepper, fish, you know that's German. What are these guys up to? Let's see. And that's what you're seeing there that's spinning on that wheel. It's taking that imagery quite quickly. Banner. I believe that's a foreign company. But you can't really tell these days sometimes. The Chinese branding and quality is really good. You don't even know anymore. You have to ask sometimes. Let's see. All right. So here you go. Here's your mixologist. He's not on right now, but here's your future bartender. They're not doing a demonstration now, but I guess you can mix up quite a few drinks. So here's a smaller company. I don't know what the price of their robot is. Might be cheaper. But 哎，你好，你的这个机器多少钱的？
大概一个车型，我们大概是10万出头一点。
多少
？10万块钱。
10万块钱，它那个重量呢？能放多少个重量
？200公斤。
200公斤 ，so 100,000 renminbi for 200 kilos. So very interesting. OK， 这些呢？
这个是上面只是做了一个这个各件
做
了一个架子，
明白。
一年套只是跟那个自动化试验。
OK, so they basically created that top part to work in line with that. So if you're maybe carrying something and you need to put it onto a fixed item, that it can do that. So maybe you see on the video, it's moving these pallets around. So again, you know, 100,000 is significantly cheaper. I don't know what the cost was of the other one. I think it was 180, 200. So this is cheaper than the first one we looked at. the quality the same or not. Probably close enough. 谢谢你啊. So something worth considering. Okay, now coming back here to this company, Robotics, that I saw yesterday to talk with a guy. I don't see him. So this is very light.
Full drag. Dragging is very light.
Dragging is very light, I can see that.
Compensation for the gravity of the robot. Yeah. It has 7 axes.
7 axes.
Like a human arm. Yeah.
And primarily, where are you using this? It is very light. Look at that. Whoa. Very chink, very soft.
Yeah.
Okay, and you use this primarily on what machines? For doing what?
I think what is for high precision assembly, polishing and grinding.
Okay.
Yeah, and some new applications like anywhere we can use some force.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. And so, what's the price of this? What does this cost? Rough price.
Yeah, actually we give the quotation according to the solution. It's a solution quotation.
Solution,
yeah.
But
including everything.
What's the range? Low to high price range.
It depends on the complexity level of the application. But,
the most complex to the easiest.
I think the range is like 300 to 600
renminbi, 1,000 renminbi.
Yeah.
Okay, so 30万到60万, so 300, 600,000 renminbi, depending upon precision and accuracy, is what they will base the quotation on, and what your use point is. Okay.
Yeah.
And the manufacturing time, how long does it take to manufacture this?
You mean the delivery period, right?
Yeah, if I place my order today.
We don't have any urgent pressure on some important projects. I think it should be like 4 to 6 weeks.
4 to 6 weeks. Okay. Let's see how this works.
用英文版吗？还是中文版？
给我英文版吧最好。4 kilos.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 kilograms.
And 到时候 your heavy load version 会是多少？ 10 kilos.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Excellent. OK， 谢谢你了啊。
如果你找到